Bye, stinky number 1. Stinky number 2, you can't come. Good morning and happy January 27th. Matthew decided to steal my birthday spotlight and get a truck. What are you getting today? A truck. Made it. Is this officially yours? Can I get a yeehaw? Yeehaw! Now we need a name for it. What's his name? Her name?
Let's name it Cooper, so it's Tiffany and Coo.
Coo?
Tiffany and Co.
Co?
Yeah, but his full name is Cooper.
Oh, Cooper. Okay, guys, this is Cooper, Matt's new truck. We're gonna go for breakfast now. Thanks. Hey, you're worse than Blue. Ooh, I'm stealing some of these. Is this cannibalism? How many times have you heard that joke in your lifetime?
Twice, both today.
Because his last name is Berry. He's eating blueberries. This is your first time in the car! Or the truck! Matt wants me to call it a truck. It's not a car, apparently. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah, yeah, yeah! Oh, you want to go in the front seat? Go. No? Okay, bye. Do you love it? You better love it. Now Matt's in debt. Whoa. Whoa! Blue, do you love this car? She's not even fazed by it. Hi, I'm Blue. I'm not fazed by your car, but I get scared from sticks. I have a stick phobia. She likes the car. Ugh. Okie doke. Whoa. She's not a fish, fam.
Can you put my camera in your
Are you serious? You're stealing my angle? It's okay, just walk all over me. It's fine. It's really okay. Why are you shaking? It's so warm right now, Blue. Matt's gassing up. His first time gassing up in his truck. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Okay, we'll ask him later. What are you looking at? All she's doing is fogging up the window. Look, I can make a little doodle in it. Deep, deep. Are you okay? Outfit of the day, I kind of look like Baymax because I'm so poofy. You can't tell. I'm wearing like a tight fitted top, but you can't tell, so I literally look like Baymax. Stinky, you could be wearing your outfit, but you don't wanna, huh? What's your outfit from?
Levi's, Jumpman 23s, and
Roots? This is Roots?
Yeah, Roots.
Ayo! Where are we going now?
Yorktown.
Which is? For the international viewers, it is a mall, and we are going to get
The coffee machine.
a Keurig.
Because I'm sick and tired of going to Tim Hortons every morning.
Bye, Stink Stink, love you, bye. We're taking my car to the mall because Matt's parents don't want him to break in the car like they want him to break it in slowly. And now that I'm looking, like my car is so dirty and I'm self-conscious, I want to clean it now. Look at all the salt stains. Oi, 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 it's so much messier than his brand new car. Can you drive? I love you. Okay, so this is Matt's favorite song in The Great Showman. Are you ready for a bop? Are you ready for the true bop?
Right here.
Right now.
7
Shut
airport
up! So
in
what percentage?
2.2
Shut
kilometers.
up! I wasn't born this morning. Thinking of beach slide. You wanna get away to a hole. You wanna get away. Cause you're not what you need to know. When you take the ride. But take it to the other side. So if you do like you do, then we can do like you. That percentage part, ooh, it gets me going, you know? I wasn't born
Stay
this
to the
morning.
left.
I think 18, 9, 10, and then there's like a silence part, and you're like, ooh, and then they're like, don't you wanna get away? It's so good. Also, I saw the movie again with Mia and Alicia.
Again? That's your third time.
I know, but
Well, why don't we
no,
just make it
second.
4
Wait,
times?
they took 8 shots that entire scene. I counted. Alicia and I were counting 8. You wanna know another pop?
Are they all just bops?
Yeah.
I'm glad you didn't star in this movie.
In 2.2 kilometers.
When you make the high-pitched noises, I just want to click
Yeah.
on a light.
Wanna,
You hurt
like-
my head.
I know, but see, for them, they can turn down the volume, whereas you really don't have
If
control.
they're wearing earphones, they could be at 1. Ow.
It's your day,
It is
but
my
you don't
day.
have to ruin my day. You know what I'm
No.
saying? Made it to Yorkdale. Was it a good
I
drive?
got a new truck, but I still have to drive the Rover.
Because we're slowly breaking it in. Huh?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Huh? 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 Huh?
Yes!
I feel like Blue when she goes. Does anybody's dog do that? I guess we could say, but first coffee, because we're getting coffee machine. You're the only person I know that uses that.
If you use this, you can lessen the chances of the disease spreading. Thing says nom.
Huh?
What?
And a coffee machine. A coffee machine. hand in my hand, and I'm going to get a coffee machine. I want this one.
It's strong.
I want this one. It says you could get a Walmart or Best Buy. That wasn't exactly what I thought it was. I just didn't do any research.
Yeah.
Maybe we could go to Walmart. It says that it's at Walmart or Bed Bath & Beyond. No luck at Williams-Sonoma. This is the one. This is the one that I want, but I don't know if they have it in any other colors. They don't want black.
This is the one.
I do want it. I want this, but in either like a white or like a baby blue. You don't have much of a selection here. I think I might order it online. Look how ugly I am. If I got this, I would literally hate myself every morning. I think we should just order online. We can Amazon Prime it, or we can get it at Walmart. So that is at Walmart. That's 3 times the price of a Keurig. Let's just get a Keurig.
Alright, well, you gotta pay for quality.
Get out of here. No, look at Home Outfitters. Can you please just like pretend that you're having a good time with me? Please, at least just. Yeah, boba. Yeah. I always get the Taro one. Matt didn't want anything. Matt hates me because now he's broke. Because he just bought my birthday present and I didn't vlog it. I love you. You're the best boyfriend ever. The best boyfriend ever. I love you. I love you. He hates me a lot. Yes, queen. I think I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial of her. Maybe either this or next week. I love you.
Oh,
I love you.
We just did this with my vlog.
I know, but I love you. You look mad in my vlog, so act happy.
I can't act happy. Only wear my heart on my sleeve. I can't fake anything.
As much as my present was, yours was almost as much for your birthday.
Yeah, we always set a $100 limit.
And
but
no, listen.
But you have interest. We were saying that because when we went to Pro Hockey Life, all the hockey sticks look different to you. To me.
But not to me. They all look the same to me.
But when I go to Pandora, everything looks the same.
But not to me. They all look different.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing that I chose, you know, you got to choose your gift and I got to choose my gift. It feels as though you took a harder hit buying my $100 gift as opposed to your truck.
Yeah.
It felt like you had a harder hit because it wasn't for you.
No, I think it's that all the money you spent today is really setting in. How do you do this? How do you spend so much money and like just, you know, you don't even care?
Sometimes you gotta spend money so that you can show it on the vlog, yeah. And then like supplies for videos like makeup and stuff, you gotta spend money, you make money sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I don't have that luxury, so. Well,
I didn't have that luxury as well. Remember when I was in high school and I was spending literally all of my money on makeup, and then now it paid off because now it's my job. Now it's serious, now I have a serious job. It's not a hobby anymore. Yeah. Tip of the day!
This is a horrible time of year for me. I have your Christmas to pay for, then as soon as I recover from Christmas, I have your birthday
and then Valentine's Day.
And then Valentine's Day, and then Easter.
It's just a season of me, huh?
I wish I had January off. I wish you were born in like June or something where I could like recover a little bit. You give me no time.
You want a truck! I'm on the phone with Bed Bath & Beyond and I think that they have the white Keurig in stock.
Hey, thanks for your patience. So
Hi.
we do have them in stock right now.
Oh, you do? Do you have a lot in stock? What time do you guys close today?
At 9 o'clock.
9 p.m.? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now I have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. Wait, it's 4 kilometers away. How far is that? That's so funny that we literally went to Toronto, but Toronto's literally like half an hour away and we could have just driven, wait for it, 10 minutes. I'm gonna have my own Keurig. I'm gonna have my own Keurig. Ooh, 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 ooh. I left, by the way. I told him to go because I wanted to download a vlog and upload it. I'm buying a Keurig. Where are you? I'm buying a Keurig.
What's that?
It's like a coffee machine. I'm so excited.
Oh, guess what
they
I
have
made
it in
today?
white. What?
Just an example today.
What?
I had to make coffee.
Oh.
I never drink coffee, and I never have
Did you
coffee.
take the samples?
I have some. I have some Starbucks.
Ooh! Here?
what I
Ooh,
said
you
today.
made coffee?
Yeah. I've never made coffee in my life, so I was so confused. So Dad came in and like got me for
6:55 and they close us at 9, so I should probably leave pretty soon. We're gonna get a coffee machine! Woohoo! Woohoo! Coffee machine, where are you running? She refuses to eat it unless we put this fish oil in it. It's like her favorite. Stinky, this is why you should just wear shoes, huh? I just realized I'm being 20 and I'm buying a coffee machine. Oh my gosh. Adulthood. Should have my first coffee the second that I was born. When was I born? Let's ask Dad. Wait. Why are you obsessed with the unicorn? Is it because it's so fluffy you're gonna die? Hi! Okay, my dad doesn't know, but we'll ask my mom. Look at what my dad got me. At first I was like, did Matt get me this? And I was like, nah, he would never. My dad got me this for my birthday, he's so cute. Not for you, Stinky Stink, but you can take this off of where you can reach it. Sayonara, sucker. If your lady's fine, it feels so good to be us. Going, going, going on. Yes, honey! Yes! I'm speechless. I'm blown away. Shut up. Oh my gosh. What? French vanilla? Today's the best day ever. Now I gotta go find a creamer. This is the mirror I have in LA. Oh, $235, all worth it though. Yo, my coffees are about to be bomb. Mad Walmart, these guys are perfect. Guess what I got, female dogs? Guess what I got? I got a Keurig and McDonald's. Do you want some McDonald's?
Wait, what was the other thing?
Yo, guys, just look at me for a second. Just look at me for a second. Both of you guys look down at the same time. Just looked at our McDonald's orders. No sweet sauce. They didn't ask me what sauce I wanted, so they didn't put any sauce. The disrespect. Yeah, I got a kid's meal because it's cheaper and it's just as good, okay? So my amazing Asian mother always thinks ahead. She packed some. She packed some. And it was in our kitchen. Thank the Lord, or else my chicken nuggets would have been bad. And now we can make amazing coffees with my Keurig, because Celeste loves coffee.
Oh, was it a coffee maker?
Yeah.
I didn't know what it was. I thought it was just some egg or something. I was very confused.
Okay. Eat your food. Look at it. It's full. Eat your food. I'm feeding my children while I work hard. I'm not even working. This is editing it down. What do you want? You want me to throw your toy? Let me see. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? There it is. I was playing with Blue and this happened. How did this happen, Blue? My nail chip. Beep bop. Ooh, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? No. She looks so cute and happy. Where's your toy? Show me. Bop bop. Guys, if anyone has a Frenchie, can you please let me know why they do this? What's up, fam?
You said you were coming here just making sure you're okay.
Yeah. You're gonna see what I got when I come over.
What did you get?
Guess.
Gucci shoes?
No!
Oh, an espresso.
Yeah! And yo, I got so many flavors and so many creamers. I'm so excited. You know what I realized? You're blue and I'm yellow. We're complementary colors. Oh wait, no wait. It's blue and orange. Man, never mind. Mom says that it's not my birthday until 5:20 in the morning, even at midnight. Okay! Oh, you guys, my plan. I'm gonna have my Keurig, get it ready, have my coffee at 5:20 in the morning. I think we all know that I'm not gonna do that. But it's a concept. Stinky's already sleeping. Stinky could have a coffee at 5:20 in the morning, but coffee's not good for Stinky Stinks. You gonna end the vlog with me? Okay. It is 12:34 a.m. Does it count? Because I was technically born at 5:20 in the morning, that I'm 20. Can we just make it count? I'm 20! Get in lit, get in lit, get in lit. Ayo, ayo, ayo. But it doesn't really make a difference in Canada, because I feel like in America it's such a huge deal to turn 20 or 21 because you can drink. But in Canada you can drink at 18 or 19, so I mean it doesn't really make a difference, and I don't really drink, so it's not like what I do every Saturday night, bro. Hit the club. It's actually Saturday night and I'm hitting the bed with Blue. I don't know, I think alcohol is just overrated. Aw, I love this one. Today's tip of the day goes to Leilani. She put a happy birthday tip of the day, okay? She put, friends become our chosen family. You know what really just mind blows me every single time that I think of it? Your mom and your dad at one point weren't family. Like, they were friends and then they had a relationship and then now they're family, and like, we literally just choose our own family. Our grandparents weren't even family before. Like, that's just me being weird. It's common sense, but it just blows my mind every time. Choose your family and friends wisely, because you become like the 3 people you hang around the most. I love you guys. Hope you have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on my birthday. Bye. Blue's annoyed with me. She's like, can you freaking turn off the freaking light, please? Okay, and good night. Also, I didn't end up going to Matt's because I just was procrastinating and was really tired, so I didn't want to drive all the way to his house. But Matt said that I could this is so bad. He was like, Adeline, listen to me. This is what you gotta do. When I get my car, what you gotta do is you gotta pose with the car and then put the title, buying my boyfriend a truck. Sheldon is literally stuck under a rock. Yo, fam. Are you okay? Go the other way. You can do it. Are you really gonna make me fix you? Oh my gosh. Yeah, Matt was like planning it this entire time. He said, Adeline, make it buying my boyfriend a truck. With you in the thumbnail with the truck. Even though it was him, all his money, he worked so hard on it. He has 2 jobs. He's working his butt off. I'm so proud of him, and he hates me because I refuse to say this, but I'm actually really proud of you, Matt, and I love you, and I can't believe you actually got your first car. Wow. But yeah, it was Matt's idea for the thumbnail and the title. But I'm really excited for him. Congrats, Matt. I love you. I'm trying to steal my spotlight for my birthday tomorrow with his truck. I'm kidding.